The word for you today, this is Rebuild Your Marriage Part 4. Proverbs chapter 18 verse 22 says, "He who finds a wife finds what is good and receives favor from the Lord." Solomon is the one who said this, but he didn't seem to take his own advice, did he? So he who finds a good wife finds a good thing. Like what? Well, he finds a companion, someone to share life with through the good and the bad times. So there's a companion, also a helper, someone who compliments him, not necessarily tell you how good you're doing, but her strength may be in an area that you're weak in. She comes alongside us and helps us to do more and better than we ever could by ourselves. Also, she's a homemaker. Guys, women bring something to the home that we just can't and don't. We have a house, but our wives make it a home. And there's a difference there. She's a homemaker. Respect. She builds her husband up. She respects him. Her respect gives us the courage and strength to try things that maybe we wouldn't have otherwise. We need someone that believes in us. And as our wife respects us, that is a good thing. We need that. And then we're loved unconditionally. She knows our faults. She sees things about us that nobody else does. And somehow, she still loves us. You find a wife, you find a good thing. A companion, a helper, a homemaker, respect, and unconditional love. And it says, and receives favor from the Lord. God is the giver of marriage. And when a man finds a wife, it is a good thing. And that good thing comes from God. Having said that, marriage is not something to go into lightly. We need to make sure that we are ready to be the husband God's called us to be. On her golden wedding anniversary, a lady revealed the secret of her long and happy marriage. She said, "On my wedding day, I decided to choose 10 of my husband's faults, which for the sake of our marriage, I would overlook." Guests asked her to name some of the faults. She said, to tell you the truth, I never did get around to listing them. But whenever my husband did something that made me hopping mad, I would just say to myself, lucky for him, that's one of the 10. Have a good day.